My name is Matt Verger. I am the president of Skyward Automotive Products. Skyward Automotive Products brings SKP to market, and our value proposition is supply chain optimization. We are able to bring product direct to market from our over 800 vetted and approved factories at an extremely competitive price. So I have to say, price is probably what drives customers to give us a chance, and then when they get to use it and see the quality and get to see the breadth of product lines that we bring, it keeps them coming. We've just got done launching a program on our control arms, our belt tensioners, as well as our coils that was highly successful. We want to leverage that success and continue to bring new programs to help penetrate that commercial market. We all know that the marketplace is tough. We're consistently being given new challenges, and the key is to continue to drive new innovation, which both Tri-State and SKP continue to bring to the marketplace.